G'day viewers, here we are again. 27 melons here today. We're going to see how we go. 27 melons with the high wall, 38.55. Hollow points. Radio.
Don't say radio after every single video because it just gets really repetitive on the video.
Radio. We're going to do this.
Okay,
we're going to be shooting from up here down to those melons.
Alright, there we have second attempt. First one a bit of a fail. We'll see how we go this time. Oh look, my camera fell over. Melon, look, I think Melon must have got it.
Well, tragically, it looks like we lost our cameraman there with the last shot. But anyhow, we're going to have another attempt now, and we'll see if we got a replacement for cameraman. Okay, boys, let's see how we go.
Can't hardly see a thing, but we'll see how my 17 goes. 17 HMR. I'm guessing 2 at best. So there we go. Get this camera to stay still. There we go.
Maybe just the one.
Hang on.
Did anything happen?
Yeah.
Did one blow up?
Yeah.
Did it blow up?
Yep. But now this one.
Hang on,
Hang on. Alex gonna finish him off.
Russell.
Oh, right.
Hey Russ, you got 3 bullets in there? Yeah. That was a good one.
Whoop, whoop.
What's Dad gonna shoot at? Whoa! Feel the shockwave.
Not my eardrum.
Might be what it was. Alright, the 17 wasn't so successful, only got one at a time. The bigger one was,
We had to back it up with the 38 to go.
it needed a little bit of
Finish
help.
off a few of the survivors.
That's right, I was running out of ammo. There you have it.
Hang on.
Did anything happen? Hang on. Whoa! Feel the shock.